quickly wanted to pop in here and show you what I've been working on. So this is bag charm that I made for my Bobby. I think this is too cute. You know, I customized it. My name is Kajal. But I wanted to do this like a little mini haul where I take you to the roads of Pune, source some kungru for this so that it can make some noise. Right now it's making no noise. Look at this, it's so cute. Like, this is almost a bracelet, right, with this charm here. And then today I think I'm gonna make a packaging for this as well so I can give it to her. Yeah, so that's the task for today and tomorrow. Yeah, I hopefully finish it today. Do you like it? Tell me in the comments if you have any ideas what I should do to make it more pretty. I got some supplies. I got what I wanted, right? I got these. This is a multicolor pack. Jags again. All of these things are Jags is awesome. Then this is what I'll be using. These are 40 rupees for 10 pieces, so 4 each. I also think that this might look better instead of just a small hook, right? Could be. I don't know for sure right now. Or this one. This is much more elegant. These, look at this. These are cute, pretty. And the silver ones, silver beads, spacers I call them. I'm using these. So I got silver as well. Again, let's just add our guru. Let's do it. This is how it's looking finally. I've added some hair jiggle. I am proud of this. Alright, in the next video, I'll show you what kind of packaging I make for this, you know, so that it looks amazing. In the next video, we use a quicking machine. So, step by step. Also, I would love to make more of these. And now that I have all the material, even the guru, if you want something like this, yeah, message me. Alright, I'll make you one.